So this Lorena, is she going to be your new mom?
Gusto ko siya. Yes, pero hindi siya si Mom. And no one can ever be.
Yeah, of course. Your mom will always be your mom. Pero, paano naman ako? Hindi ba ako pwede maging mom mo?
Tita Ronnie, you're so funny. You're like Rosita. Not my mom, not anyone else. Just the best Tita Ronnie there is.
Yeah. No, eat. Kumain ka na madami.